Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to download and install Google News application on your Android device. Whether you are using your Android mobile phone or your tablet, this guide will help you through the process. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device. Go to the search icon at the bottom and then go to the search bar at the top and type in Google News. Once you search for the Google News app, look for this application that says Google News Daily Headlines from Google LLC. And then click on the install button at the top of the screen to start the download process. Now wait for the application to download and install on your Android device, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded Google News on your Android device. Now you can stay updated with the latest stories and trending topics anytime, anywhere, right from your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.